y'all, it is Christmas Eve. Let me clean y'all. Hold on, let me use the hat. Let's see. I was gonna take my do-rag off. I took my do-rag off. I have line on my head, but yet it's cold outside. It's early. Yeah. So I was like, you know what? Hat it is, because I'll take my do-rag off tonight when we do, you know, the festivities. Well, not my hat, my do-rag. Yeah, I said right. It's early, y'all. But we getting ready to go do the grocery shop for tonight. What else? And that's it. I wrote a little list. I put the list in my phone. Where's my phone at? I'm only going to Walmart and then I'm going to a local grocery store. Because my local grocery store, well, one of them, they have a really, really nice, like charcuterie section. Like when I tell you it doesn't make any sense, like why is this in the grocery store? So I'm going to go get like the goat cheese, which was a hit for Thanksgiving. You know, the hard salami, the bruschetta, that's how you say it. You know, chocolate covered something, some strawberries, you know, just some things. I'm gonna do like a fruit board, and I'm gonna do like the meat and cheese board. I gotta go to, well, I ain't gonna say because I don't want her watching the video, because I gotta go get some stuff. So, yeah. We're gonna be doing birthday, and we doing Christmas Eve, and we do family time. We's gonna have a good time. So, you know, I gotta clean the bathroom, make sure the bathrooms is good, because you know, when you start drinking, you start going to the bathroom, y'all know how that go. So doing all of that, but it ain't much to do, because the house that I gotta wrap gifts. Yeah, I got gifts other places, but this is what the Amazon people bought, so we gotta get those out them Amazon boxes, put them in some real boxes. Hear my mother yawning. She just getting up. So yeah, y'all, it's gonna be a beanie day. Y'all, I cannot believe I am doing Vlogmas. I was sitting back, I was like, I don't know what the vibe is, what the feel is, but the fact is that it's being done. I'm all for it. I am all for it. But we're gonna go get, I'm gonna take my daughter to the biscuit bill so she can get that iced coffee. And I'm gonna take her to get that breakfast sandwich. And we're gonna go to Walmart because she's making a carrot cake tonight. She's doing a lot. And we got this big, we got half a honey bun cake left. So that's fine. Folks, eat it tonight. But we're gonna I'm excited. I'm gonna go buy some games. We playing Monopoly, Jenga, Uno, of course. Uno, that's like mandatory. And whatever else I find. Might find something new. Monopoly's gonna be a new game for us to play. I mean, we all played it before, but us playing together, and the game Life, I think I'm gonna buy that game too. But those are long games. Those games don't stop. Or do they stop? I don't know. But let me wait for Kay to come on down, get her thoughts together, and we gonna head out. Fa la 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 la. Let me tell you, Christmas is my favorite holiday, but this, out of all my 47 years, this is the longest I've ever had a tree up. I ain't never have a tree up this long. The tree was put up after Thanksgiving. I mean, did I get my decorations worth? You know, did I see it for what it was worth? Absolutely. Did I enjoy it? You know, I got little towels on the oven, my little pillows, my little dollar, what do you call that? Dollar spot from Target. My little things on the table. Did I get the chance to see it? Did I feel like Christmas every day? Absolutely. Would I do it again? Absolutely. But was it a lot? Absolutely. It was a lot. Why is this camera acting right, y'all? Let me tell y'all. It was, at one point, it had these freaking lines going through it. And then when I hit record, it would do something crazy. I don't know what I did. I don't know what I hit. But now, it's acting right. She ain't going nowhere. She knows she the house camera. I want to take my other camera outside. But I think I talk too much crap. My nerves is like, you know. I be looking at all the other girlies who got, like, bigger frame cameras. They still crop sensor mirrorless cameras or something like the M50, the R10, R7, even like the R6 and the R8. Those are full frame. They still, you know, big body or small, big body cameras, but they be out there. Nobody's using these compact cameras like they were. They are, cause like I'm like 2 minutes from going to get me that Sony ZV-E10, how you say it, or I'm gonna go get the Mark III of this, cause it shoots in 4K. Cause this Canon, let me tell you something, it is so sweet. I mean, like, but I gotta be a big girl. I gotta be a big girl. So we was in Walmart, got what we needed, bumped into one of my lovely good friends who follow me, I guess, or on YouTube. We follow now on Instagram, and she remembered me from doing Mary Kay. My daughter said, "Ma, you gotta start coming outside looking a little bit better than this." I look fine. I have on my Sunday attire.
Oh, you had cornstarch on your
I had bought some cornstarch on, because we baking. Okay, y'all. They coming through with the baby.
You got senior citizens out here. What's going on?
Okay. Is this your car? Look at these two. Okay. So, you know, we getting our baking stuff. We had to get cornstarch, flour cake, making a banana bread from scratch. So we had to get the things. I had cornstarch on my shirt.
How you even got it on your shirt, Mom? What were you doing?
I don't know. But she told me I was looking horrible. Well, I'm not looking too horrible. I'm chilling.
You just need to have a fit that comes together, Mom. Because you got on like 4 different color schemes going on.
You see how she talking about it? I got on some navy blue sweats to match the navy blue.
Are high waters. Who wears high waters?
They got the navy blue right here. The only thing that's out of pocket is my hat.
And your shoes, Mom.
Well, I gotta be comfortable. I live in a real world. I live in a real world.
Yeah, it doesn't mean you can't have a coherent fit on, Mom.
Y'all see this? Y'all see this? Okay. Well, anywho, we got the bulk of the shopping done. I'm getting ready to go to the local grocery store and get the rest of the things that we need. She is flying through here. And then we'll be done for the day. I was gonna go and get some coffee from the coffee shop, but I ain't even gonna bother.
What coffee shop?
I want to go to the Biscuitville, but I'm not even gonna bother.
Well, if I want to try it,
we can do that tomorrow.
What? They're not even open tomorrow.
They open not tomorrow, the next day. Well, not because I got my do my blood draw, so we can go. You gotta get up in the morning. This one here doesn't want to get up in the morning.
So when I get up on break.
Boy, I'm tired. Anywho, y'all, let's get to the grocery store so we can get in this house and be done with all this running around. It's Christmas Eve, y'all. Say Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas. Well, how do you say? Is it Merry Christmas or Happy Christmas? What is it?
Merry Christmas, Mom.
No, for Christmas Eve. Happy Christmas Eve. What do they say?
Christmas Eve.
Merry Christmas Eve. I don't know. I got a few texts this morning about Merry Christmas, Happy Merry, whatever. Whatever. All right, we got all the groceries. We are done. We are done. Gonna get some CBD stuff for my mom and some balloons, and we're heading in the house. I'm thoroughly tired. And you know, I want to rewind that back what Kay said. Kay said that when I come outside looking decent, what you said?
I think it was like that you don't talk, like people don't come up to you and stuff.
Yeah, but when I come outside looking like this, that's when I meet people. Oh God, I don't mind. This is real life. Okay, I need to start being more put together. Can I turn? Oh no, I can't turn. Back home, had to take my hat off. I'm just, well, we got everything done. Everything done. So it's just 2 o'clock, so got good timing. Festivities don't start till about 6, 7, 7, 8, you know. I'm gonna rest. I'm gonna rest. And, oh, take that chicken out. In the freezer. Gotta throw out. And yeah, I'm gonna start cooking around 6. Take 2 out. Yep. So yeah, y'all, we got everything done. Started out at like 10:30. It's expired. Yeah. Jesus. Gotta find some room for this. I guess it can stay out. I mean, it's fine. I'm just exhausted, y'all. We gotta wrap gifts tonight. This is not how I plan on doing it. Trust me when I tell you. But we got the menu ready for tomorrow. The menu for brunch is French toast. Where's my phone? My phone is dead. French toast, salmon cakes, smoked sausage, eggs, of course, grits, fruit, like a fruit tray. I got apple juice, apple cider. We're gonna have mimosa, bellinis. I picked up, I do have some Prosecco, the blue label Prosecco. Then I picked up some of these Bel Airs, so those are always good to do mimosas with. I'm gonna leave the Moet and the Voo for New Year's. We're gonna go affordable. Yeah. We'll go affordable for Christmas. Oh, we gotta put this up. Where'd this go? The crackers. Found the little variety pack. We got original, pepper and poppy, toasted sesame seed. I may not need, well, yeah. I got these. Then we got some heart shape. I'm passing, okay? I'm doing the charcuterie board later so y'all can see. This has like hard Christmas trees, different type of little small crackers. So this is gonna be cute. Got that goat cheese. Yes. So yeah, y'all, I just want to come in and say what's up. Next time you see, we should be pajama ready, festive ready, game board ready, and just enjoying Christmas Eve. And I won't be looking like a prisoner in my blue and white. It's right.